Hi, I'm Alexa, the owner of Alexa Master Designs, and I will be your instructor for this wire sculpting class. I was born and raised in Germany and basically grew up in my dad's jewelry making business, which then made me get into the jewelry making business as well, and I became a journeyman in goldsmith and jewelry design. I have been in the jewelry making industry since then and have acquired many jewelry making techniques, from which wire sculpting is one that I discovered a couple of years ago. I was actually featured for wire sculpting in 2018 on local TV. Some celebrities like Molly Ringwald on Riverdale and Rena Rodriguez on Jane the Virgin have also worn some of my designs. Wire sculpting in itself is a pretty cool technique because you need hardly any measurements. You work mostly with your hands and with your fingers and with only a few tools. This wire sculpting class is for beginners, enthusiasts, and intermediates. And we will be making a cute little pendant or earring component, possibly bracelet. It is reversible. This what we will be making. I also have it here on a necklace. It's really cute as a necklace. So I hope you will be joining me in my class, and let's get wire sculpting.